Steady your pace, your phone. I wanna take a picture so this could last longer for me. Yeah, take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, beginning knees. But when I see you, I feel to the keys to your heart again. Yeah, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, beginning knees. But when I see you, I feel to the keys.
Hi guys, so it's Shivi again, and I'll be staying at Catalonia in the presidential suite, and I'm going to show you a view of my room, and it's very beautiful. It's giving top tier, it's giving luxury, it's giving really nice, right? And I am loving this. So far I don't have any complaints. I walked through already and there's no complaints, and it's good. So I'm gonna show you how I work with. So this is the dining area that can sit up to 6 persons. It has a nice simple decor, and you see a nice view of the ocean. You have a nice big enough window, as you can see. Over this side as well, I have 2 chairs that looking out. You can look out the ocean and you can look into the city with you know, building that is close by as well, and look the ocean, very nice. So right here, so I'm gonna take 2 nice pictures. So over here now I have a sofa, right, and I have a nice treadmill. So if I decide to go to the gym, I have this so I can work out on when I doubt me I go ever use. There's a nice 60-inch flat screen TV, I think around 60 or 65 thereabout, right? And a nice center table, giving very much simple, giving elegant, as I said before. And the view is beautiful. Look at this view, it is beautiful. Look, just imagine waking up to this in the morning. Beautiful. Yes, so it's really nice. Look. And over here I have the kitchen section where I have 2 chairs. I got some complimentary fruits. I have grape, apple, pear, strawberry, and banana. I'm not sure what else is there. And I also get a bottle of champagne, which is complimentary. This is a view inside the kitchen. So I also have a sink, and I have an air fryer, kettle, and I think this is a coffee maker. And this is everything that I'll be working with. Let me see inside the cupboard. Yes, and I have all those cups, a microwave, and inside the fridge, let me see. So that's what's inside the fridge. So there's not much, because most of the times I'll be on the road getting stuff, buying food, doing all of that. So this is not an all-inclusive resort, or should I say all-inclusive hotel, because it's in the city. And I'll be outside most of the times. That's why I'm in the city now, right? Because I'm in the city to just, you know, enjoy myself and be outside with the locals, going to the local spots, eating the local foods, because I want to get some of the culture here too. So I'm gonna see the rest of this house now, because it's practically a house. So big it is, it's practically a house. So I'm going to show you inside the bedroom, right, and the bathroom, and come with me now. So this is the presidential suite. So you have a nice king size bed, yes, and I also have a sofa, a nice I think maybe this is a 50-inch TV, I'm not sure. And you have a nice work stand if you decide to work. So there's also a nice view, so I can sit right here, right, and get a nice view into the ocean. Look at it. So me can tell you this, Una now get disappointed. Una will never be disappointed with this room. I can tell you that for sure, because I am loving every bit of it. And you see, me I bring you up on the journey with me, right? Alright guys, so I'm just going to take it in. See? Take it in. So this is the bathroom. Living rooms, right? Right. I also have a toilet over this side. Wow, I didn't realize I have mirror.